Aisha Gaba, name in the air, glowing pixels, a digital glare. Tea goes cold, but you don't care. Her voice cuts through, sharper than the news. 8 million hearts on the wire. Dreams sold to the machine desire. The tide is rising, can't outrun. Jobs undone. Still in time, a race we've begun. Digital tide.
Welcome to VL Extras, the place where we take weird turns to get you the most intriguing stories from the world of AI. Well, today, we're flipping the script from broadcast booths to bedroom anthems. Imagine this. You're warbling a half-baked song in your shower, lyrics tumbling out like confetti from a piñata. Normally, that's the end of it, a private cringe fest. But what if AI could snatch those words, stitch them to a beat, and spit out a full-blown music video that's ready to conquer TikTok? Enter Freebeat AI, the tool that's turning amateur crooners into viral video stars. And it's not just a gimmick. It's the kind of magic that makes you think, why didn't they have this when I was 16 and dreaming of stardom? Grab your headphones, because this tale of a Stanford dorm project gone global is the underdog story every creator needs. Let's turn up the volume. Let's rewind to a cramped Stanford dorm in 2018, where a couple of wide-eyed alumni are tinkering with an idea that's part mad science, part music nerd heaven. Bruce Chen, the co-founder and CEO, a serial entrepreneur who's already raised $40 million in his young career, is the visionary steering this ship. He's got that classic startup fire, part finance whiz, part tech wizard, and all in on making AI the ultimate creative sidekick. Then there's Henry Fan, COO and fellow Stanford grad, fresh from investment banking at Morgan Stanley with a CFA under his belt. He's the operations maestro, the guy who turns chaos into cash flow. And together, they rope in a team of heavy hitters from UPenn, UC Berkeley, and Toronto, blending AI smarts with music passion. Their brainchild? Freebeat, officially born in Atlanta that same year. But the core algorithm's roots are in that dorm room jam session. They saw the $250 billion creator economy exploding, with TikTok and YouTube turning bedroom beats into bankrolls. But the visual side? A slog, hours editing clips to sync with lyrics, fighting software that just wouldn't cooperate. Freebeat flips that script, and by 2025, they're backed by top VCs, including TikTok's co-founder and partnering with Les Mills and the Boston Celtics. It's the story of two guys who looked at the grind and said, nah, AI can do better. And now it's turning lyrics into viral gold. Relatable? If you've ever poured your soul into a song only to watch it flop because the video was meh, this is your redemption arc.
Folks, we all know how much work it takes to make a song look as good as it sounds. You can spend hours editing clips, syncing every beat, and still feel that something's missing. But what if you could skip all that and turn your music into a complete video in just one click? That's what Freebeat was built for. My name is Daniel, and in this video, we'll explore how it works and how it pairs visuals with your audio. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your music into something ready to share with your audience. Grab your favorite track and let's dive in. Folks, Freebeat is the world's first AI music video agent. That basically means it takes any song and turns it into a ready-to-share video in one click. You don't even need editing skills or expensive software. Friends, it works with tracks from Suno, YouTube, Spotify, and so on, or you can just upload your own audio file. The artificial intelligence listens closely to your song and starts building movement that follows the rhythm. As the track changes, it shapes the transitions to match the energy. What really stands out here is how it bridges the gap between sound and vision. Guys, your music becomes the natural prompt, and the tool translates that into motion and color without you having to direct every frame. So yeah, Freebeat is like your personal visual studio that brings your sound to life with zero stress.
So, what makes Freebeat AI the secret sauce? It's an AI-powered online platform that takes your raw audio, grab a link from Spotify, SoundCloud, YouTube, Suno, Udio, TikTok, Stable Audio, or Refusion, and spits out polished videos in one click. No editing sweet marathons, no syncing nightmares, just upload and boom! Dance videos with moves that match the beat, lyric videos where words pop like fireworks, or full music videos with 3D avatars that look like they stepped off your vision board. The company's core algorithm, born from that Stanford dorm room, analyzes the music, breaks it into beats, and generates visuals that flow like a pro choreographer on steroids. You can even create custom 3D avatars, your face, your style, starring in your own clip. It's glaringly simple. Paste lyrics, hit generate, and watch your idea go viral. Relatable? If you've ever hummed a tune in the shower and wished it had a music video to match, Freebeat's your genie in a bottle, minus the 3 wishes limit. Freebeat AI's not skimping on the wow factor. It's packed with features that make creating feel like child's play, but the results? Adult-level awesome. First up, AI choreography. Upload your track and it auto-syncs dance moves to the beat, spitting out dynamic videos that could go viral on TikTok overnight. Want K-pop flair or hip-hop grit? It nails it, turning static audio into a full-blown performance. Then there's multiple music source support. Plug in from Spotify, YouTube, or even Suno-generated beats, and it handles the heavy lifting. Custom 3D avatar creation? Make a digital twin of yourself or your mascot, slap it in the video, and watch it groove. Personal touch without the production crew. Lyric video generation takes your words and animates them like a pro music channel with synced choreography and lyrics that pulse to the rhythm. And style versatility? Switch from viral dance challenges to moody lyric visuals, all in one tool. It's glaringly powerful. No more hiring editors or shelling out for stock footage. Freebeat does it for free or low cost, targeting that $250 billion creator economy where every view counts. Relatable? If you've ever watched your home video flop because the editing was meh, this is the glow up your inner artist craves. Freebeat's not just tech, it's the sidekick that turns meh into must-see. Alright, let's get hands-on because nothing sells like a show. I'll walk you through turning a simple prompt into a full video, and trust me, it's easier than tying your shoes. First, head to Suno.com, Freebeat's partner for AI music magic. I type, write a song about Freebeat AI, an AI that turns your lyrics to viral videos. Hit generate, and boom, Suno spits out Viral Verse, a catchy pop track with lyrics like, from words on a page to beats that engage, Freebeat AI's the rage. I download the audio file, takes 30 seconds, no watermarks. Now hop to freebeat.ai. Upload the track and the dashboard lights up. For the dance video, select dance video, pick hip-hop style, and add a custom 3D avatar, my cartoon self with shades. Hit generate and watch AI choreograph moves syncing to the beat, arms waving, feet popping, all in under 2 minutes. It's glaringly smooth. The avatar grooves to viral verse, ready for TikTok. Switch to lyric video. AI animates the words bouncing to the rhythm with neon effects and a moody indie vibe, perfect for Instagram reels. Total time, 5 minutes. From dorm room doodle to viral clip, Freebeat is the shortcut we all wish we'd had. Relatable? If you've ever slaved over iMovie for hours, this is your sweet revenge. Freebeat didn't spring from a vacuum. It's the brainchild of a Stanford crew with real grit. Bruce Chen, CEO and co-founder, is the serial entrepreneur who's raised $40 million in his young career, blending finance smarts with AI passion to chase that wow factor in creative tools. Henry San, COO and fellow Stanford grad, fresh from investment banking at Morgan Stanley with a CFA under his belt, is the operations maestro, the guy who turns chaos into cash flow. And together, they rope in a team of heavy hitters from UPenn, UC Berkeley, and Toronto, blending AI smarts with music passion. In the $250 billion creator economy, where every clip is a potential paycheck, Freebeat's leveling the field, giving bedroom producers the tools of pros. Relatable? If you've ever shelled out for editing software only to watch your video flop, Freebeat's the equalizer we've been humming for. Visual learners, Freebeat AI isn't just a tool, it's the spark that turns your shower serenade into a social media smash. From Boost and Henry's dorm room doodles to a platform that's got TikTok's co-founder betting big, this is the story of creators reclaiming the spotlight one synced beat at a time. In a world where the $250 billion creator economy waits for no one, Freebeat's your backstage pass. Easy, fun, and fierce enough to make your lyrics leap off the page. But hey, in AI's whirlwind romance, is this the keeper or just the flank? What's your next viral idea? Drop it below, hit like if Freebeat fired you up, and subscribe for more VL extras. Until next time, keep creating, your beats waiting to drop.